Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's been a long time since my last video, maybe January or a long time. And the reason is there's not been a lot of action on the Cobra. It's been in paint for a year. It's been 3 years since I ordered it. But as of yesterday, something pretty exciting has happened. It's here. It's finally here in my garage. It got dropped off last night. It is worth the wait. The paint is, as I said, it took a year. It looks awesome. Get around this. Oh yes, and in the interim, I had a lift installed. It's gonna make life a whole lot easier since this guy doesn't, well, he's lacking wheels. Nothing right now. So I expect the video updates to probably get a little more frequent. It's the back of it. It's a good look at the gauge cluster. You know, speedometer off in the middle because who cares? The important part is your tach. And that's right there front and center. So you would get to see quite a lot more of this as build progresses. I mean, there's no windshield yet. This is basically how I got it off the truck yesterday evening. I intended to film that, but it was a very busy, very stressful affair getting out of the truck. It was dark. Maybe I'll put some just still images on the end of this video. Enough of that. I heard unboxing is a thing, so let's see if we can crack open some of these boxes that ERA sent. I have no idea what's in them. All right, well, because I'm that way, I suppose we can start opening these in order. They're marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Let's look at this guy here. And be careful with this knife because I have no idea what's in here. It could be rubber hoses, could be something soft. What have we got? Ooh, parts. So windshield washer mounting hardware, foam sealant for maybe the trunk, maybe the hood. Guess we'll find out. Fuel lines, I'm thinking, which that's going to be interesting because we're running fuel injection. There's no return. I have some little baby wipers. I have more than 2. I have 4. So I guess I have options or something. We'll see. Oh, that's the actual wiper posts. Radiator hose actually comes with the metal part. I didn't know that was even a thing. I thought I had to get it all myself. Hopefully I didn't buy extra parts. It's the wiper motor, the snaps for the tonneau cover. That'll be fun. See the little holes drilled into the body? That's where the snaps will go back behind the seats. Whoa. Miscellaneous hardware, we'll say. Shifter boot and ring. More body spacers. I think those are the standoff posts, the painted ones for the bumper, the jack pads. We'll see. Oh, thermostat. So another piece of radiator setup. And that's about all of box 1. Oh joy, wiring harness. Comes with its own set of docks, it looks like. Fun, fun. What does 3 have in store? All right, we have exhaust flange gaskets, my rearview mirror. Oh, made in Taiwan. Nice. Let's see. Side mirror, rearview mirror, battery cables. The battery will be mounted in the trunk. Door covers. Nice. Box 4 is actually touch-up paint from the body. I already opened it last night because I couldn't contain myself and it said paint on it. So box 5. Okay. That is carpet. So tell you what, we'll just peek real quick, but that doesn't sound super interesting because one of these boxes, well, some of these boxes will have more interesting parts, I think. Yep, just carpet. 6. Oh, that's the heavy box. It's like Christmas. All right, front shocks, tie rod ends. So suspension parts, front control arms are down underneath there. Box 7. Turns out doing this one-handed is not as easy as you'd think. Oh, baby. Well, I'm sorry. I'm just going to have to open one of these to look. Four calipers, not 6 or anything super fancy, but a nice set of Willwood bricks. Those are going to be sweet. These, that says McMaster car, though who knows, they just repacked it. Brake lines, rotor hats. Oh, nice. Harnesses. What else is lurking? More control arm parts, bearings. Oh, center plugs for my knockoffs. Where did 8 go? Oh, 8's the big box. I have a pretty high suspicion of what's in here. Yes. It is what I thought it was. Primary pipes. Freaking awesome. So primaries, and then open those out. Oh yeah. Gotta get this set up here. Oh. It is the side pipes. Those will be sent up to jet hot coating in Oklahoma City and be ceramic coated silver chrome. Let's see other parts. We have mounting brackets for the side pipes. Windshield trim strip. Door sill trim strip. Drawer's not that big. Guess we'll find out. And steering shaft. Box 9. I got 2 more left. Find some creative way to fast forward this so you're not staring at me cutting boxes for an hour. Ooh, this is the wheel cooler. We'll take that out later. I'm going to show you, but there's the picture. So on the Cobra, you'll see, come on camera, the wheel cooler will go right in here underneath the radiator, which was already installed, which is great. I did not even expect that. But what's under the foam? Well, let's see. Nice stainless steel lines for, oh goodness, I know what that is, for the wheel cooler. And nice big fat Willwood discs. Oh, come on now. Can I do this without cutting my hand off with doing it one-handed? These, oh goodness, are the mates. You can't see it. Now you can see it. Of the hubs that are already installed on the rear. But obviously that's for the front. I'm sure the wing nuts are probably in those white boxes. And let's get us to box number 10. And when we get done, I'll show you guys all this stuff up on the shelf. I haven't seen a steering wheel, so either I missed it or it's somehow in here. We're gonna say I missed it. Because this is center brace for the interior of the car, just decorative. Turn signal. Oh, and then there's the steering column. That's what that is. Because this is the steering column. Well, if I find the steering wheel, I'll come back and show you that. But otherwise, I'll show you all this put up in a rack, and we can close this video off.
Yeah, you're good.
Here we go. Keys in the trunk.
All right. Oh man.
It's all out of the boxes. It's somewhat organized. We have all the side pipes and primaries up there. There's some suspension parts here, more suspension parts here, engine, interior. What you can expect to come up from these videos now is I'll try to go by one small section of something I'm putting on the car at a time. Maybe it's helpful for somebody else who has an ERA Cobra. Maybe it's just fun to watch, but that is the plan. So maybe an episode a week, maybe 2 a week. We'll see how it goes, and thanks for watching.